Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve the following simultaneous equation by substitution method. So this is my first equation. I'm going to label it as equation 1. And my second equation, I'm going to label it as equation 2. Now, step 1, since we are going to use the substitution method, we will need to make one of the variable of the equation the subject. Okay, so looking at this, I'm going to choose equation 1 because I saw a 2x, equation 2 have 3x. I love to divide by 2. What does Mr. Tan mean by that? You will see. So right, I would have 2x equal to 13 plus 3y. How did Mr. Tan get to this stage? I hope you can see. I actually plus 3y on both sides of equation 1 so that the left hand side, the 3y will be equals to 0. Okay, so that's what happening, and that's what it happened. But remember, I'm not done yet. We need to make sure that the variable is the subject, meaning there's only one x and not 2x. So in this case, I still need to do a second step. My x will be equals to 13 plus 3y. The whole thing divided by 2. And this will be my equation 3, which we will then need to substitute into equation 2. Okay? So we are going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So my equation 2 now have 3x, but we now know x is equal to 13 plus 3y divided by 2. So I am not going to write x anymore. I'm going to substitute x with 13 plus 3y divided by 2 and minus 12y equal to 42. Now, how do I solve this equation? Do you see a denominator too? So this is what's going to happen, okay? I'm going to multiply throughout by 2. So I'm going to times 2, times 2, times 2. We can do that. So that the 2 and the 2 here can divide off. I'm left with, please remember, we still have my 3 outside. I'm left with this 13 plus 3y. Minus away 2 times 12y, 24y. 42 times 2 is 84. And we continue to solve this equation. 3 times 13 is 39. 3 times 3, positive 9y. Minus away my 24y equals to 84. Slowly but surely, we are going to finish solving this. 9y minus 24y. This will give me a value of negative 15y. 84. What do you think we should do to the 39? Yes, we should minus 39 on both sides. So in case you're wondering what happened to the 39 on the left hand side, we are actually minusing 39 on both sides. So this one will be equals to 0. Okay, so that is what you see. And finishing already, I will have negative 15y equals to 45. So finally, divide by, yes, negative 15. And you will get y equals to negative 3. Now, the last part is for us to substitute y equals to negative 3 into equation 3 so that we can find the value of x easily. Alright? So, do let people know that we are actually substituting the value of y into equation 3 now, whereby x is equals to 13 plus 3y divided by 2. And since I know the value of y is negative 3, I am not going to write y anymore. This y will become negative 3. So my final answer will be equals to 2. And now for the last step, which is for us to check our answers. How do we go about doing that? Well, we substitute back into the equation. So equation 1 is 2x minus 3y. So 2x, x is 2, minus 3y. Y is negative 3. And does this give me back my 13? Yes, it does. It satisfies equation 1. Let's try equation 2. Equation 2 will be 3x, x is 2, minus 12y, y is negative 3. And does this give me back 42? Yes, it does. Check. And so our answers for x and y is correct. Okay? With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.